In this week's video, I'm in Nottingham. I'm down there to see a band called Enough's Enough, who I used to really like. And but mainly I'm here for my birthday celebrations, meeting up with some good old friends for a few drinks and some really good laughs. So let's go and get checked into the hotel. I was a little bit early turning up to meet my mate CC and his son Dan, so I just had a little wander around the station just to kill 5 minutes till they showed up.
Gentlemen, good afternoon. Long time no see, old man. You're on video.
Oh.
But I'll let you out if you don't want to be on.
Got an Uber over to the hotel, took about 15 minutes and went over to get checked in.
Hello. A little bit of a delay to wait till the room is ready, but we are ready to go. Thank you, Lee. Because the room was not ready in time, they're kindly giving me a drinks voucher, which is nice. Wait for the lift. So we're at the top floor. All the way to the top.
8th floor. Going down. Doors open.
Got access to this as well, apparently. That's pretty cool. Alright, here we go. So this is the Crowne Plaza Hotel in Nottingham. Let's have a look out the window before we do anything else. We're on the top floor, and as you can see, it's an absolutely stinking horrible day. My friend Cece's down in that pub with his son Dan, so we're going to pop down there and meet him shortly. Let's have a quick look around the room. My microphone's decided not to work again, so not sure what's happened there, but let's start at the desk here. The lights on. And it looks like we have a room service menu. So we've got various things, small plates, burgers, large plates, pizzas, side sandwiches, blah blah blah. Not sure what time they operate from. Oh, look at this, I've just noticed. How cool is that? It's my birthday, everybody, so they've done a little happy birthday chocolate thing. Oh, isn't that cool? That's really nice. That's great. Oh, we got the proverbial TV. Looks like the Sky remote there, I think. There's a heater there as well in case it gets chilly, but I don't think I'm needing that. Bit of storage space. Won't be needing that either. And we've got a wardrobe. And oh yeah, there's a bathrobe in there and some slippers, which I'll probably be using in the morning when I go and have a look around the spa and the pool. We've got towels, nice coat hangers, ironing board and iron. Got a safe in there as well, which is always handy for your valuables. Shoe mitten. I like a shoe mitten. I might borrow them. Okay, and over to the kettle area, we've got glasses, got some nice fruit and lemon biscuits. They look quite nice. some hot chocolate, malty biscuits, kettle obviously, and we have a good selection of coffees and teas and milk and whatnot. Below here there is a fridge, a couple of bottles of water in there, which is nice. Somewhere there for your luggage. And the bathroom. See what we've got in here. Some nice Gilchrist and Soames. Figgin what? Vehoa or something? I don't know how you pronounce that. Yeah. Good size sink, a couple of glasses. Got the one of those makeup mirrors. Hello. More towels, plenty of towels. Got those mats for the shower. You're worried about slipping. I always like to see them just in case. All looks very clean, I have to say. Good size shower. Not massively keen on the ones where you have to step into the bathtub, but that's what we have, so we'll go with that. That's all right. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the actual room. Looks like a good sized bed, doesn't it? That's a good sized bed. Only me here tonight. Mrs. Teesside Travellers at home having a lovely Mother's Day lunch with her kids, which is lovely. In the meantime, I'm going to get ready. So that's the room for now. So I'm going to go out now and meet some mates. It's my birthday tomorrow, so we're going to go out and see a band called Enough's Enough, have a few beers, bite to eat, and we'll see you in the morning.
On the way out, I noticed there was a Marco Pierre White steakhouse. Might be worth checking out.
If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you, it does help me.
So this is Ian Trigg on stage with Enough's Enough, doing a great job singing along with the Beatles song Get By With a Little Help from My Friends. Ian did a great job. Good to see the Enough's Enough guys as well, and it was a great night. Really, really good birthday celebration for me.
The next morning.
Time for some breakfast. I was absolutely starving and needed some coffee.
Have you had breakfast with us before?
No.
No, do you want me to show you around?
No, it's okay.
You sure, yeah?
it's
No
fine.
worries, any allergies?
No.
No, perfect, just round there, sit wherever you like.
That's great. Thank
No
you.
worries.
The most important thing first is some coffee.
As well as all the cooked breakfast that I was having, there's lots of other things as well. There's like boiled eggs, there's various fruit platters, cheeses and hams. You can see the cereal there, like I said, fruit salad, yogurts. There was really absolutely everything, as you can see. Croissants there, lots of other baked goods, fresh fruit. It was literally anything you want for breakfast you could have it. I'd give it a 10 out of 10. Really good breakfast. Highly recommend that. Obviously your fruit juice as well.
Jams and spreads. We need some sauces. Let's have a look. Strawberry. Raspberry. That's what we want for the sausages. A bit of ketchup as well, we'll get them. These things take about 6 years to cook, don't they? Right, breakfast is served. It's pretty decent, isn't it? Bit of toast, got myself some orange juice. So yeah, let's dive in.
Yeah, talking of diving in, after breakfast I decided to go down and check out the spa area and have a little swim.
It's got one of those smells. Spa smell. I feel quite invigorated after that, so go and get washed up, get a shower, and head to the railway station. Well, I've had a really good stay at the Crowne Plaza, really enjoyed it. Excellent hotel, great staff, and time to get an Uber and go home. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Cheers, bye.